Alright guys, as we left last time, we just extruded those bits there down. What we want to do now is to put a bit of an angle across here, and then we'll thicken the arm up a bit. Just grab your live selection tool, and in polygon mode we'll select the outside and inside polygons of each arm, so those two there. Turn the old R2 model off so we can see what we're doing. I should have actually worked out the extrude a bit better, because that would have taken care of this step as well. But if you haven't noticed by now, I kind of do things a half-assed way. Usually make it more difficult for myself, but that's alright. Makes it more difficult for you guys, but then I suppose you guys learn more things by fixing my mistakes. So I guess you should thank me really. What we're going to do now is just make a cut across here to get an angle on it. We'll use the knife tool for that, so it's in the structure menu and knife. We want it in the plane mode. If yours isn't, and on the XZ, which is straight across, and I want to create about a 45-degree angle here, so we'll chop it once, across about there. Make sure you got restrict to selection ticked. So about there. Not being too fussy now. What we do need to do now is weld some points, just to create an angle. So jump into points mode and grab your live selection tool, and we just want to go that point to that point, weld, and drag it back to that back corner there. Quite sure how this is going to all pan out, but I think I've roughly worked it out. So we need to do that on the backs of both these arms, of course. Weld it to there. And same again on this arm. Nothing too exciting or tricky here. We've used most of these tools before, I think, by now. I'm just talking nonsense really. I still can't find the pause button. One day I'll remember to read the manual before I start recording. It's F something. Not that any of you really care, do you? Didn't think so. Right, if I manage to select these last couple of points, we'll get this done, and we'll be on to the next part. This will basically finish off the basic shape of the arm, and then it's just adding on all the detailing parts. So it's across there, you can see it's actually cut back into there from where we're wanting, but we're going to take care of that now. So what we're going to do is grab our live selection tool and jump into polygon mode, and we're wanting all these polygons here over the top, like so. While you're highlighting them, make sure all your normals are facing the right way. Otherwise, when you come to extrude it, you're going to have things going everywhere. So let's jump around, we'll select all these. If I get into the position I want. Like so. From here, if your R2 model's off, we turn it on. If we have a look at the reference image, you can see that arm's quite thick through there, and it comes up basically to the top of the body there, just over that. So we'll give that a quick extrude now. Just right click it, extrude, and up to about, oh, there, looks good. That's about what we're after. You can see it does go a bit funny extruding this shape here. The polygons in there sort of overlap because of the ball we created, which can give us funny little sticky out bits and little holes, which we can just delete and close up manually. So if you've got anything sticking out like that, Just give it a quick delete and we'll close up some holes. Best way to check it is give it a quick render. You'll easily be able to see if you've got any holes appearing. I don't really want that. Like so. I'll leave this tutorial here. All you have to do to close up the holes is our old favourite, the close polygon hole. Create polygon tool, sorry. Close polygon hole won't work for this, I wouldn't think. It's just in the structure, create polygon. Down to there. And you want to remember to make sure to check both arms. Because if it's happened on one, it's probably happened on the other. Now the thing you might want to do is make sure you've got the inside of the arms here. You probably won't ever see it. You can see I've got a great hole here that's appeared for some reason. I've probably done something silly at some point. So I'll go through and tidy that up. So next tutorial, we're going to look at creating these little bits that go inside the arms at various places. Hopefully then we'll be about done within about 3 or 4 more tutorials, I hope. And then if I'm really motivating you on once, we can go on to doing materials and things. I'm open to suggestions. You just email me or contact me on YouTube or whatever. Yeah, so this wasn't particularly interesting. To show you can run into some problems when you're extruding around balls and things. Yeah, this is a whole lot of nonsense really. I should actually start this and stop again, but I haven't saved it since last time. If I revert it back, I'll get all confused. I just have to listen to this ridiculous tutorial for a little bit longer. So we'll get this done. And your arms should be about completed by now. I didn't even get on to doing the other bit I was going to because we're into this little problem here. Alright, so come back next time and I'll fix up this angle here. And then we'll get started on this inside bit.